Quick video review of my Key Nice 12 volt vacuum cleaner from Amazon. Got the brush attachment in, comes with some other attachments, straight attachments and a flexible pipe, my instructions and a bag. So, been to the beach, got a rather sandy car seat, so let's give it a go. Try it on straight on the car mat. Inside, yeah, there's all the sand it picked up. I'll try and show you how you empty it. I'll take it apart. It's a bit difficult with one hand. There you go. And then inside there's the filter. Pop that out. This is now where I drop it all over my car that I've just cleaned. But then inside there is all that dust. There you go. So that's all the dust it's picked up. Hope that was useful.